Bash shell scripting is a powerful tool for monitoring system resources in Linux and Unix-based systems. You can use various built-in commands and tools to gather information about CPU usage, memory usage, disk space, and more. We use the date command to get the current date and time. We use the top command to get CPU usage percentage. We use the free command to get memory usage percentage. We use the df command to get disk usage percentage for the root file system. Save this script to a file, and make it executable using chmod plus x file name. Please comment, like and subscribe.